Hey everybody, so I just wanted to go over week 3 and walk you through sort of what to expect and what to look out for as we start the week here on Monday and it goes through until Sunday night. So first of all, I just wanted to say that I've adored your 48-minute project and your I Can See Music projects. They've been really creative, really fun, and also your blog reflections are really well thought out, really well written, and you're considering this question that is being posed in the class about audience. So I really appreciate your effort to go there, think about it, and process. I'm also noticing that many of you are actively using Aurelia and Musician, so keep that up. Update on that. We're about to by we Music First, the company that we're getting the software through, is about to update the software into a web-based version, so you won't need to use the installed version on your computer. It'll be web-based, it's updated, it's going to be new, and so we're just going to use the practice activities until that update happens, and then we'll see what changes come our way, and then maybe the co-teacher and I will be able to target some of the curriculum for you. But I also get a sense that many of you have already sort of found your rhythm with it and have already chosen the areas that you really want to grow most in. So I hope that's true. But anyway, I'll check in with you about that. So, okay, so that's the update for Aurelia Musician. Week 3, so we're going through, we have, music theory, scales, tonalities, keys, and key signatures. So study up on that and do the quiz today. And then notation software. So there's a lot of different options that you have for notation software. And so there's Noteflight, which is part of Music First, which is on that same bar. When you access Aurelia and Musician, you can get Noteflight there too. And so you can use Noteflight, or there's other options that are free to download if you don't like Noteflight or if you are more familiar with another one. And they're on the notation page, notation software page on our module for week 3. And then there's a major scale assignment, so you'll have to notate the major scale due tomorrow, and then turn in the link to me. So be sure that the links that you share, whether it's your blog or whether it's your notation, make sure that you are sharing an outward-facing link. So that means that it's a link that anyone can access, even though they're not logged into Noteflight or not logged into Tumblr or Blogger or whatever. And so one easy way to check that is if you have another browser on your computer, open it up and then just paste that link in and then hit enter and see if you can get there without being logged into anything. So we have Skype discussions tonight and tomorrow, and I'm trying to set one up, a third one, so that everybody can make it, because we've still got 2 students that aren't scheduled. And so I'm hoping that that can be a late night Tuesday, and at least in Pacific time, late night Tuesday one, which would then be Wednesday morning for some folks. So I'm trying to get to reach those 2 students about that. And anyway, so I'm really excited to see you on our group Skype, so make sure that you know what time it's happening. It's happening 6 p.m. Pacific, which is going to be a different time for many of you, so check your time zones, and I'll see you on Skype. And we're going to talk about audience, and we're going to talk about how the course is going. We're just going to connect with each other and talk about music. So then, we have your musician interview, and I've posted the questions for your musician interview in announcements, as well as on the home page, as well as on the interview and musician assignment. So there's 4 questions, and if you've already done the interview and you didn't see these questions first, that's totally fine. If any of these 4 questions don't apply to the person you're interviewing, then choose a different question. And key to the interview video, make sure that if you're recording with your phone, make sure your phone is within 3 feet of you and your and mostly within 2 to 3 feet of the person you're interviewing, because that person's input is really the most important thing to hear. And if the phone's too far away, then we're not going to be able to hear either of you. And so find a quiet place to do the interview, and then make sure that that microphone, whether it's the phone, whether it's whatever, is really close. So super excited to see those. And that's due on Thursday, or on Wednesday, because it's the 6th today, 7th, 8th, it's due on Wednesday. Yeah, I'm super excited for those videos, because I've done this assignment before and they've just been so cool to see all these different perspectives from all these different professionals. So then Thursday, as usual, is our blog day, that question is, what did I learn from my musician interview? So right away, you're going to reflect on what you learned from your video. So then on Sunday night, you will have Skyped with your Chorus project partner to talk about ideas. And the Chorus project partners are posted on the homepage. Oh, I just lost the thing. Let's see how we're doing. I think it's okay. They're posted on the homepage and they're posted on the Chorus project assignment. So check out who your partner is, figure out the time zone difference, and find times that work for both of you to Skype between now and Sunday night. And that's it. That's it for week 3. So we're beginning the Chorus project, we're finishing up the interview and musician project, and we're starting to compose things with notation software. So that's sort of what the direction that we're going in, and we're about to get updates to Aurelia and Musician to be new web-based software. So I'm not sure exactly when that's happening, and so they're just launching. They just announced it, and so they say it's coming soon, so I don't know exactly when. If you have any questions about week 3, week 4 is going to be posted as well, so you'll be able to look ahead. Please message me, and message me in Canvas or email. I prefer the Canvas message. And again, I'm just really, really happy with all the work that you're doing, and thank you so much for the feedback you've given me last week with the week 1, with the first check-in videos, and I'm getting back to you about solutions for some of you, and yeah, just really wanting to be in touch and be able to answer all the questions you have and help you through all the challenges you're facing. So the class is still young, and we still have so much to cover and so many fun activities and creative expression to explore. So have a good week.